Let's find the volume of a cone with a radius of 40 feet and a height of 27 feet. First, we realize that the figure for a cone looks like that of our lower left corner, so let's draw a cone with our information written in it. To draw a cone, we'll choose a point and draw two sides of a triangle, where the base of the triangle will actually be a circle, making this a three-dimensional figure. We'll draw a dashed line behind it. And for our cone and labeling our information, the height of the cone is from the top of the cone straight down to the base of the cone. This is the height, and this is a height of 27 feet. Next, from the point that the height goes down to the side of the cone will be the radius of the base of the circle. That radius we have is 40 feet. With this information, we can now find the volume of a cone. So the formula for the volume of a cone is V equals 1/3 pi r squared times h. So let's first write down our formula. V equals 1/3 times pi times the radius squared times the height. What we'll do is plug in the radius and the height into this formula and then simplify our result. We'll leave our answer in terms of pi. So, let's plug in r equaling 40 feet and h being 27. This will become 1/3 times pi times the radius is 40 squared times the height is 27. Next, let's find what 40 squared will be, and then also we'll multiply 1/3 by 27. We see a trick here, and we'll write the symbol pi at the very end of the problem and leave this answer in terms of pi. So, volume equals, rewriting this, we'll put the 27 in front of the 40 squared, since we can move numbers around. So 1/3 times 27 times 40 squared, and then a pi symbol at the very end. The reason why we did this is that we see that 3 divides into 27 9 times. So volume equals 9 times, and 40 squared is 40 times 40, which becomes 1600 times pi. And finally, let's multiply 9 times 1600. This becomes 144 with 2 zeros with a pi on it. 14,400 times pi. The volume of our cone, the material on the inside of this solid, will measure 14,400 times pi cubic feet. Cubic feet because volume is measured in cubic units. The number of cubes we could stuff into the inside of this cone. So the volume of this cone is 14,400 times pi cubic feet.